Attention creators, listen, if you're making money online, you need to hear this. The social media world is shifting fast, and I've got the latest tea to help you ahead. Check this out. TikTok is back in the Google Play Store after mysteriously disappearing. So if you couldn't download it on Android, problem solved. CapCut is back too, y'all. That's my baby. Instagram just launched its new affiliate program, allowing creators to earn commissions when their followers buy recommended products. So if you're in the US, check your settings right now. You might already have access, okay? Meta is doubling down on creator monetization. Mark Zuckerberg confirmed that more ways to get paid are coming, including expanded ad revenue sharing and better payout structures, y'all. Plus, they're pushing Reels bonuses harder than ever. So you better get on them Reels right now. YouTube is tightening up on AI generated content. Now, if you're posting AI made videos, you must disclose it or risk getting penalized. Yes, you heard it. YouTube is actively integrating AI generated content into its platform, offering creators innovative tools to enhance their videos. So recently, YouTube introduced the Dream Screen. Okay, this is a new feature for Shorts, which allows users to generate AI created video clips and backgrounds by entering text prompts. Okay, so this feature is currently available right now in the US. It's also in Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, with plans for further expansion. Additionally, YouTube is developing an inspiration tab in the YouTube Studio app. Yes, I've already checked it out. I've tried it out a little bit. This tool is very helpful. It helps provide AI generated concepts like titles. It gives you thumbnails to try and outlines and initial lines for your videos, aiming to simplify the brainstorming and project development process for creators. It's important to note that YouTube requires creators to disclose when their content contains realistic AI generated material. You should see that button in the back office just before you upload your video. This ensures that there's transparency and it helps maintain trust with the viewers. And so for those who are interested in exploring AI tools to enhance your content creation process, there are several options available. So for a comprehensive overview of the top AI tools for content creators, they do have a video that you might find very helpful. You can look it up. Transparency is the name of the game today, baby. And then let's talk about Twitter, formerly known as X. They're testing a LinkedIn style job search feature, y'all. So social media is becoming a one-stop shop for networking, selling, and hiring. All right. So that's all I have now. Don't miss out. Subscribe to this channel now for more updates to stay ahead of the game. Hashtag Creator News. All right, y'all. This is Candrea Fion. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.